Have you ever seen someone effortlessly hold their body off the ground with their legs straight out in front of them and thought, how is that even possible? Maybe you've tried it yourself. You put your hands on the floor, lift your body, and nothing happens. Most people fail the L-sit because they're missing a few key skills that have almost nothing to do with how many crunches they can do. You can build those skills much faster than you think. The L-sit isn't just about core strength. The L-sit requires 4 things working together. Imagine trying to build a table with one short leg. That's exactly what happens with your L-sit. Compression strength is the secret nobody talks about. Sit on the floor with your legs straight. Now try lifting your feet off the ground. Your hip flexors and lower abs are working overtime. Every elite athlete started somewhere. Your shoulders need to actively push down into the floor. Think about trying to push the earth away from you. Even if your feet stay on the floor, you're building the exact shoulder strength needed. And no, I'm not going to tell you to do 1,000 sit-ups. The L-sit requires your core to stabilize while your body is suspended. Instead, focus on hollow body holds. Doing endless crunches to learn the L-sit is like practicing swimming by waving your arms around on your couch. Start with a tucked L-sit. This shorter lever makes the movement dramatically easier. Then eventually extend both legs. You don't start by entering a downhill race. You start with training wheels. The tucked L-sit is your training wheel phase. The first mistake is bent elbows. Keep them locked. Pretend they're made of steel. The second mistake is rounded shoulders. Push tall. Create as much distance between your shoulders and the floor as possible. Consistency beats destruction. Tight hamstrings can make the L-sit feel impossible. Spend a few minutes each day stretching your hamstrings. No fancy equipment. No complicated routines. No secret supplements. Maybe on day 1 your feet barely leave the ground. Maybe by day 7 you're holding a tucked L-sit for 10 seconds.